You got something on there. Hold the fish up so we can take a picture of it. Elliot, can you hold the fish? Oh, perch.
Bang.
What kind of fish is that?
Perch.
What kind of fish is it?
I touched it.
It's a perch.
Yeah, perch.
I want to catch a perch.
Okay. Do you want to rig up the same way he did?
I need a co-pilot. We're fording the river.
Evidently, we're doing a little off-roading here to get to our fishing spot.
In the minivans.
We're pretty savage. What are we going to be doing? Catching bass?
What is Uncle Theo thinking? Oh well. Alright, Zoe's got one on.
Oh.
Another perch. Get it in.
Oh.
There you go. Good job, Zoe.
I'm not going to touch. Oh. Oh, yeah.
You barely got it.
Oh, don't touch the thing. Don't touch it. Oh, look away. Oh.
Oh, Hannah.
Last time we caught a perch in the last place, no one popped the ice.
Was that pretty fun, Zoe?
Yeah.
What kind of fish did you think was on there?
I thought it was a perch.
Something, Elliot? It's a bass.
Is it a bass? Yeah, because it's not.
Fish!
Hasn't rolled up.
Yeah.
No! Oh. You want some help? Yeah. Get!
Just do the work.
Nice bass!
Okay, so here, so I can help him if you need it. Oh, there! That's the big one of the night so far.
Oh my!
That is nice for here.
What kind of fish is that, Nolan?
That's a bass.
Okay, Elliot, what kind of fish are you going to catch?
Should I just put them in the water?
Yeah, just really. Oh, throw them in the bucket, I guess.
I'm going to catch a fishy.
A fishy? Okay, start reeling it in a little bit, okay?
That is nice for here.
Oh, you got a perfect.
That's a big fish. Trying to drag maybe?
Well,
You got caught in the weeds.
When
I can't.
Just a minute, Elliot. I'll help you in a minute.
That is
come
that
off
a
the bottom. What is this?
I think it's a bass.
Is it?
I thought like.
Oh, nice bass, Hannah.
Oh my!
Hannah, nice. Okay, reel it in.
Oh my!
I believe this line is handling.
That is huge! Oh my god! I'm not touching it.
That's bigger than Nolan's.
You think so?
Just put it in the bucket.
What do you think, Nolan?
Well, I think mine was a pretty nice catch. And Hannah had
Hold that up. Hold that up by Hannah so we can get a picture of her with her fish.
I'm not. Uncle Shaun. Oh no, I knew it was mine. Which one was tadpole eating a perch? Which one was that?
Dude.
A perch or a bass?
Here.
Bass. Yeah. What do tadpoles eat?
I'm not sure.
They eat macaroni and meatballs.
Oops.
And sausage links.
You can recatch it now.
After stops bubbling, take it out. Right?
What are you guys doing?
Catching tadpoles to feed the fish.
You think you'll have any tadpoles in Papa's
Yep.
pond?
No.